GCSE Past Questions. This is on a quadratic equation. We have to solve 2 divided by y squared plus 9 divided by y minus 7 equals 0. So let's see. The first thing we need to do here is to clear the fractions to have a linear term to deal with. And our denominator is going to be, we have y squared y minus 1 here. So we find the LCM, the term that each of the denominator can easily divide. And that will be y squared. So here we multiply by y squared, meaning y squared times 2 on y squared plus y squared times 9 on y minus 7 times what? Y squared equals 0 times y, which will still be 0. We know that y squared will cancel y squared, leaving 2 plus this y will clear the square, leaving y. Y times 9 will give you 9y minus 7y squared equals to 0. But we can see that we can transpose all these terms to the right, bringing the 0 here. Meaning if all these terms crosses, it will give you positive 7y squared, negative 9y, and negative 2 equals to 0. So first thing we are going to do here is to try to check whether we can factorize it. 7 times 2 will be negative, times negative 2 will be negative 14. Factors of negative 14, when you add, you will get 9. Let's see. We are going to have negative 14, 2, and 7, right? If one of them is negative, I'll get negative 14. So if I have 2, negative 7 in this form, or 1 itself and 14, that can also work. But their addition should give us a negative 9. And that can only happen in 2 ways: if all the factors are negative, or if the bigger one is negative. So this is going to be 2 minus 7 minus 5. So it means it can't work. We can't factorize. So we need to use the quadratic formula. So that is going to be y equals to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, where the value of a is the coefficient of the squared term, that will be 7. The value of b is the coefficient of the middle term, minus 9. The value of c is the constant term, minus 2. So by substitution, minus 9, that will be 9. So plus or minus the square root of minus 9 squared, that will give us 81 minus 4a. Where is a? 7. C minus 2, all divided by what? 2. All right. What do we do from here? We can see that if y equals to 9 plus or minus, in the case of this will be 8. Then 56 will be having 137 divided by what? This case is 2a, and a is 7, so 14. We know we are having 2a, and a have a value of 7, so 2 must multiply 7 to give us 14. So this will give us the two values of y we are looking for, which will be y equals to, that's the first y, equals to 9 plus the root of 137 divided by 14. Then the second y will give us 9, we pick the negative 1, root 137 divided by 14. Let's see what the two values will give us. So the first one here will be giving us 1.479. But the question asks us to leave it in 3 significant figures. I didn't write that, but 1, 2, 3. So that will be 8. Then for the second y value, where the negative take effect, it also gives us negative 0.193 to 3 significant word figures. So the value of y is going to be these two values, which will be 1.48 or negative 0.193. I guess the concept is clear. We can also find different ways by which we can do that by replacing this to be 1 over 9 by a different variable, like let's say x. So this will be 1 over 9 y squared, which will become x squared. 2x squared plus 9 minus 7. You will still come back and introduce y into it. You get the same answer. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.